Generate a professional logo without spending $10 per month. OpenAI has just released DALL-E 3, and it's their most powerful image tool yet. I will show you how in 4 easy steps. 1. Launch DALL-E 3 tool. Who needs design skills when you have AI? Search for Bing Image Creator. It's powered by new DALL-E 3. Log in if you don't have an account yet. 3. Tweak and personalize. Click on Customize button. It will redirect you to MS Designer. Now you can create different posts with your logo. 2. Enter your prompt. Click on Create. In the description box, write down your vision. Review the suggestions and pick your favorite. Prompt: a ice cream 3D style logo, black background, forefront with vibrant colors. Four. Download and share. Download it directly if you don't want to edit it. Click on your preferred image. Head over to the top right corner, click and save.